A very fine morning to all of you students. Hope you all are doing good. And as you can see, today we are going to start a new chapter of English MCB, that is chapter number 5, as we have completed chapter number 4 with the question answers and all the exercise questions. So we'll now move further to the next chapter. So let's start, students. Now let me tell you, students, this chapter is written by, you can see here at the last, this is the story written by Deepa Balsavar, okay, and this is the story about Nani and a young boy Vikas. I hope you know who Nani is. Nani is the grandmother, the maternal grandmother, the mother of our mother, okay. So here this is a story about Vikas and his Nani. So let's see what is in the chapter. Once a week, Nani goes to the park. Today Vikas wants to go with her. Okay, generally the old people go for a walk. So here Nani also, she goes for a walk once a week. Means one time in a week she goes for the walk. And today Vikas also, he also wants to go with her grandmother Nani. Okay, I walk slowly. I take my time to get there, says Nani. As Nani says that I am old now, so I take time to go to the park. I walk very slow. I don't mind, Nani, says Vikas. And Vikas says, I don't mind, Nani, it's okay, but I'll go with you. Okay, let's go, says Nani. She picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. Nani says, okay, then let's go with me. She takes her shopping bag. Generally, the old peoples, they take their bags whenever they go out of the house so that they can buy something. Okay, so she also takes her bag and she starts to cross the road. But Nani says, Vikas, the park is this way. Then what Vikas says, because by showing to the different direction, he says that Nani, the park is that side. We'll go that way, says Nani, pointing ahead. Let's go through the lane of treasures. But what Nani says, Nani showed the another way and she says that we'll go from that way and we will go through the lanes of treasure. Lanes of treasure here means the street or the road that is full of beautiful and the valuable things. The meaning is given. That is the market where you can buy something, okay, that attracts you. Okay, that's why this lane, Nani has kept the name lane of treasures. Treasures means the valuable things. Okay, the lane of treasures. What a wonderful name of the market. Then Vikas says that the lane of treasures. Wow, Nani, what a wonderful name she has kept for the market. The shops here sell everything. Nani stops to buy milk and the other things. Then it is given that here are this is a market where the shops are selling almost everything. And what Nani buys? Nani buys the milk and some other things. Okay. When Nani finished shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? Then when Nani finished all her shopping, then Vikas showed a gate there and he said, Ki, shall we walk, take a shortcut for the park? A small way, a quicker way to reach the park. No, smiles Nani. We have to go through the lanes of happiness first. Then Nani said, no, we are not taking any shortcut, but we'll go through the lanes of happiness. Again, here Nani has kept a name of the road, the lane of happiness, the street of happiness. So they walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Then they move forward, they move ahead, and they took a left turn to a small lane. It was a small lane. Nani stops and calls softly, come, come. Suddenly dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Then a small lane was there and Nani stopped and she called softly. Generally we call the animals very softly, very kindly. Come, come, she said. Then what happened? From every direction, the dogs and the cats, they just ran to the Nani just to see her. As she was very kind to the animals, so animals also loved her. So when she called, they just ran to see Nani. They got very excited. Okay. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Vikas laughs as the animals lick their bowls clean. As Nani, she has purchased the milk from the market, so she has purchased the milk for the animals, the street animals, the dogs and the cats. So, and Vikas laughs by seeing that animals, because they just licked all the bowl, they licked it clean, not a single drop of milk was left in the bowl. Then Nani and Vikas walked through a lane behind a little school. Then there was a road that was behind a little school, so they moved through that lane. They see many children laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. These are the game, students, that is played in India. Maybe you also are playing. I don't know about these games. So Nani and Vikas, they moved by these lanes. Okay, so the children were laughing and playing and they were shouting. Is this the lane of noise? Asked Vikas, covering his ears. As all the children were playing there, so they were laughing loudly, they were shouting. Okay, so Vikas, he covered his ears and he asked Nani, is this a lane of noise? Because everybody was shouting. No, it's a lane of mischief. Then what Nani says? Nani says, no Vikas, this is a lane of naughty behavior, the mischief, the naughty things you do. It makes me think of you and your friends. And laughs Nani. And Nani said that these children, just they make me think of you and your friends, that you and your friends must also be doing the same. You must be laughing and shouting while playing. Okay. Have you named all the lanes in the city, Nani? Asks Vikas. Then he asks his Nani that have you kept the name of all the lanes in the city? But what Nani says? Not all, smiles Nani. She smiled and said, no, not all the lanes of the city, only the ones that are important to me. Only those lanes I have kept the name that is really important for me. Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Now, she took Vikas to the lane of the road of friendship. Nani's friend lives in the lane of friendship. So, why she kept the name lane of friendship? Because Nani's friend used to live on that lane. They were girls together and they have grown old together. Nani's friend were when she was a girl, when she was young, so they all were friends and they have grown up together. They grown old together. Nani and her friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friends and says goodbye. After that, what she did? She talked for some time to her friends and they laughed. And after that, she hugged her friends and she said goodbye to them. Come Vikas, we'll now walk through the lane of dreams. Now, what Nani says? Nani took Vikas to the lane of dreams. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas school library, and this lane of dreams, it has the books. Nani said that it has books more than the Vikas school library. Means the school library is not having so many books that this lane is having. The bookseller sells old books for a very little money. So this was the lane for the booksellers. Here all the shopkeepers were selling the books at a very low price. They were selling the old books. Nani buys some books and says, let's go, we are almost to the park now. Now Nani, she purchased some of the books and she said to Vikas, now let's go. We are just almost about to reach to the park. Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. Again, this is again the Nani's lane. Lane of magic. So they have to move through the lane of magic to reach to the park. Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels a cool breeze. While moving through this lane of magic, Vikas saw very big trees, shady trees full of leaves and flowers, and he feel a cool breeze. It happens, students, when we are covered with the trees and plants around us, we can feel a very cool breeze coming from them. The road is covered in the red and yellow flowers, as the trees were having the flowers, red and yellow flowers. So it was, the flowers were shedding from the trees. So all lane was covered with red and yellow flowers. It looks like a magic carpet. As moving through the lane on the flowers, red and yellow flowers, it was looking like a carpet, a magic carpet of flowers. At last, they are at the park. Vikas thinks of all the people and the places he has seen. Now, finally, they reach the park, and what Vikas thinks, he was thinking about the people and the places he has seen when he came through the lanes, all the lanes. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. Can I come with you next week too? And what Vikas says, that Nani, I loved your lanes, whatever lanes you have named and whatever lanes you are going through to reach the park. I just love it. So can I come with you next week too? So Vikas wanted to come with his Nani next week also, because he liked the lanes so much. So here, students, your chapter is over. You know, students, sometimes we should really spend time with our grandparents, because we get to know really something interesting from them, because they are having so many stories of their life. And actually they also imagine the thing as the Vikas Nani is imagining the lanes. She has given the names to the lanes. Okay, so we can also we should also spend time with our grandparents, and we should try to know about them, about their lives, that what they faces through, or what they gone through. And believe me, you will get to know so many stories and so many interesting stories about them. So this chapter is over here. This is it for the chapter. We are going to meet in the next video now. Till that, read this chapter very carefully, spend time with your grandparents, and in fact parents also. Talk to them, talk about their lives, and also take care of yourselves. Have a very nice day. Thank you, and bye bye all of you.